So what's been nice when I've been using it is the ability to, I'm used to having keyboard shortcuts and using the keyboard on my left hand, having my pen and my tablet in the right hand. So that's the way I've been working for many years now. So it's interesting to try out this device, this O2 device, to have no more keyboard in my left hand and just to have this device in my left hand.
I can tell it's the origin of the product because it can be really it can make you closer to the design that you're doing. It's basically one step closer and almost inside the screen. So this type of tools, like the gesture-based tools, really replacing what are the input devices that we're used to.
I think the O2 would be fantastic in working with, working through the whole creative process. I think the 3D process is quite complex, and I think it would definitely be a help with that. But I also think the concepting phase, Photoshop and Illustrator and After Effects, where you're kind of doing the same tasks over and over again, it would especially kind of come into its own. And yeah, I think the functionality of it is so customizable, which really gives you the options that you need as a creative person to fix things the way you need them to.
So normally you would use your left hand and the right hand actually to travel across the keyboard on your laptop or computer. And so you would move a lot. With this device, your left hand would be on it, it would be around it, so it kind of makes you sit more straight because you don't have to move. And because it's so small, you have to be very precise on pressing buttons or like choose modes or functions you need. And I would even say it's very elegant how you would move your hand, because you have to be very precise, going left and right, like tilt it and rotate it. It's a really nice device on the first sight, and I'm really looking forward how it's going to develop, and I'm looking forward to use it and see how it's going to improve my workflow. Thank you.